Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So in order to do this, it's quite easy, so let's immediately jump into it. All you need to do is open Instagram just like I have, and then you want to click this plus on right here because we are going to post a new post, of course, with music. So you can choose whatever post you want, however I'm going with this cool graphic post just like this. What you then do is click on next, and you want to simply click on next again. Then right here at this page where you normally type your caption and click on share, what you want to do is you want to click on add music. And literally right here you can search for any music you want. Alright, so for example, I want to add this All I Want for Christmas Is You music to my post, and literally what I do is I click on it. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll to the part you actually want to add to your post, and those three dots in the actual timeline will show you what the most played parts are. So I would recommend putting your playhead somewhere around those red dots. So I'm going to choose this. Then what you simply want to do is you want to click on done. And now literally your music will be added. All I Want for Christmas Is You in my case. And then what you simply do is click on share just like this. And then it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to post your post, and we can see literally right here that it's right now adding my All I Want for Christmas Is You music. So that's how you can add music to your Instagram post. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.